Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications here. When you just click on notification, sorry, you click here on appearance, sorry, click here on appearance here. Then it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on theme, then you click here on dark here. So then here it's going to change with you to dark mode like you see on your AnkiDroid app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.